everyone. For today's Murphy Law Monday, I want to touch on the topic of custody arrangements for teenagers during the separation and divorce process. Specifically want to highlight that teenagers, unlike minor children or smaller children or young children, are a very different animal when it comes to devising a parenting plan and a co-parenting arrangement that usually works for them. And I say that because teenagers have this delicate thing where they are tied to their friends, they're tied to their school, they're tied to their environment more than little children. And you're going to have to be extremely careful when you're devising a plan or an agreement with the other party on this specific subject, because teenagers are going to have custody arrangements that revolve around them and their lifestyle, their activities. What are they doing after school? What involvement do they have in their school activities? What environment do they have in their church or any other community activities that are around them? You want to be cognizant of that, because that is going to be the focal point of the drop-off, the pickup time. If they are an extremely active, let's say, athletes, then you're going to probably have to move your schedules around their athletic endeavors. So maybe you're doing exchanges at the football game or the cheerleading practice or the actual competition, because unlike little children, that is the venue where they most are. And I want to also point out that you want to involve them in this process. Ask them which house they want to be on specific days of the week, because their opinion does unfortunately matter. And it's going to be a guiding point for how they transition. You don't want them to not like to go to dad's house or not like to go to mom's house because it's on a Thursday, and that inconveniences their track practice because it's a 45-minute drive. All those little logistics that you don't really consider when you're trying to plan around your own personal life, you do have to be very delicate with these things with a teenager. I just wanted to go over those issues. And if you're in need of legal services in the state of Maryland or in the District of Columbia, please give my office a call, 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.